Okay, well today, me and my cousin
Hey, I'm Jared. Here today, guest visitor.
are gonna do some riding around on the mini bike and on the four-wheeler. So, we'll try to get some action in here while we're taking off.
Yep.
We fire this sucker up. He's gonna fire his engine and we're gonna fire our engine. Okay, go. That's a loud sucker, too. It don't even have hardly a muffler. Oh! Hey, go up the lane there. Up the lane.
That was our section here today. Now, hope you enjoy, and that's it for now.
Fussing and fighting, we back at it again.